previous video we have learned about the hard computing and the differences between the hard computing and soft computing. Coming into this video, we're gonna discuss about the evolution of neural networks. That means how the neural networks are evaluating years and years. Evolutional means neural networks are computational models that mimic the complex functions of the human brain. Where these neural networks will mimic the human brain. Okay, the neural networks consist of interconnected nodes that process and learn from the data. This neural network will be having the interconnected node where the data will be processed and data will be learned, and it will also enable some tasks such as patterns should be recognized, decision making in the machine learning. These are the some tasks that will be recognized when the processing of the data is interconnected between the nodes. Okay, the first looking into the evolution in the year of 1940 to the 1950, that is earlier concept. Neural networks began with the introduction of the first mathematical model of the artificial neural network by McCulloch and Pitts. McCulloch and Pitts, these are by these two have been described or introduced the neural network in the year of the 1940, where the introduction is done by the first mathematical model of the artificial neuron. Okay, after that, coming into the 1960 and the 1970, perceptrons has been defined by the work of the Rosenblatt on the by the work of the Rosenblatt on perceptrons. The era has been described, whereas what is perceptrons means, perceptrons are the single layer networks whose applicability was limited to issue that could be solved. These perceptrons are the single layer networks where it has to be where the applications has to be limited to issue the solution. Okay, coming into the next 1980s, backpropagation and connectionism. It's a multi-layer training was made possible by the Rumihart, Hilton and Willman's invention of the backpropagation method, whereas the perceptron is a single layer, and where in this it uses a multi-layer networks. Next, coming into the 1990s, boom and winter. That means large data sets, innovative structures, enhanced processing capability. These have been introduced. Deep learning has shown an amazing effectiveness. In the 1990s only, deep learning has been introduced, and also some large data sets, innovative structures, enhanced processing capabilities have been introduced. In those only, deep learning will show an amazing effectiveness. Coming into the next year, that is 2010, it's a present deep learning domains, conventional neural network and recurrent neural network. These two are the deep learning architecture dominated the machine learning. These two, CNNs and RNNs, these two deep learning techniques had dominated the machine learning. Okay, their power was demonstrated by innovations by gaming, picture recognition, natural language processing. Why have they have been demonstrated means innovation by gaming, the picture recognition and the natural language processing. These are the demonstrations of the power. In this way, the neural network has been evaluating throughout the years and years. Okay,